Hi guys, my name is Rose and this is gonna be my first video tutorial. So just please bear with me because this is my very first time to do this, but so I'm also still learning. But I really wanted to share with you how to do the basics of crocheting. So all you need is just a hook, this one. So now I'm using 3 mm. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there you go. Three, and then I'm using an 8-ply yarn. All right. Okay, let's start. I'm sure you all can do this because even my 5-year-old can do it. So first you have to hold it like this. Spread your fingers like that, and then put this yarn around there to your little pinky, and then put it around the index finger, and then bend your middle finger and put it together with your thumb and put the yarn in between. So this is just to explain this. This pinky is going to take control, to stop the yarn from going further, while this pointer or your index finger is going to be like to control as well. So the pinky and the index finger should work together, while your big thumb and your middle finger is going to be the one is going to hold on to the wine from slipping in and out. All right. Now, so I don't really want to impose on how you're gonna hold your hook, because there's a lot of very good crocheters in which they're holding their hooks like this or like that, as they hold it like this. But for me, I'll just follow what I have been taught ever since I was about 10 years old. So to give you a story about how I've learned crocheting, so I have my aunt, and she's not with us anymore, may she rest in peace, but her name is Tia Minda or Auntie Minda. And so my auntie taught me how to, or inspired me how to do the crocheting. So I always sat down in front of her looking at her, her fingers doing the crocheting, and she has done a lot of projects for this rich Filipino families back in Cebu. Anyways, the other person who really taught me well crocheting is my mom. I remember that when I was in grade 4, we had a project to make a border around the frame, of because we had sewing and we had a lot of home economics, let's say home economics project when I was in elementary. So we had cooking, and part of it is crocheting. So, and I'm very happy that I've learned those things. So I'm able to bring it here where I am now, and now it's the time that I'm teaching my little girl Akaya to do the same. She's actually a beginner, but she's very good on making chains now. So she's made a lot of bracelets for my husband. So anyway, so let's continue. So I want you to hold your hook like this. So this thumb lie flat on this thing here, while your index finger in the right, that's where the hook rests, and your middle finger is going to control. So just a simple in and out. All right. So now put the hook over the yarn, twine, and then slowly bring it in between your left middle finger and your thumb. Make sure that there's a little bit of space, if you can see that. And then go back, twine, put it in, get one, and then out. Twine, get or hook, get it in. Twine, hook it, and then let it in. Now, if you can see, there's a distance now from your middle finger and your your thumb. So adjust it. Make sure that when you hold it near the end of your chain. Okay? So by the way, we're just making a simple chain right now, so it's like the basics. Okay. So let's make 3 more chains. Let's twine, pull, twine around the yarn, and then pull, twine, pull, twine, hook, pull. Alright, so that's it guys, and hope you learned this. So I'm pretty sure it will be easy for you because my 5-year-old is able to get it. I'm sure you can do it too. Bye now.